Like, I want to know, how do you deal with such things where you'll get your guest is all over after one interview, mostly especially someone who is your first interview and say, you even promise, we'll see on part 2. Kusasa, gifted media. Pamwa kusasa. After that, you know, you go all over, manje. How do you deal with that?
Sometimes it was a thorny issue. But then as time goes by, I know. Ayikho ngayenza abantu bangabantu and akwazi ukubagcina abantu and umuntu futhi angeke umbambele kuwe, you see. But then that was not the problem ke ngalolo hlobo. La kulezi zinto zoma podcast and stuff, you know, nginawo amanye ama podcast esebenzisana kahle nawo kakhulu.
Okay.
And some of the guests uyabona ukuthi ifike kuwena ikutshela istory ukuthi yazi this and this and this and this, I want to share this and this, and then ubuka ukuthi no man, I'm not graced for this person, and this person right kakhulu for gift nansi guest, I think let guest le it right for when
Sure.
great content but not for me. It happened for some time. Abantu abafana no Madam Speaker kwesisikhathi kufika my guest ngibona ukuthi no man, umuntu right la
Madam Speak.
not me. Because yabona mase une mentality ukuthi wonke ama guest they are good for you. No, we get chill. But uyabona lawa suke good for you. Ngine belief yokuthi they will stay with you. Ngina guest ahlale nami till date ngeke wabona indawo. But amanye ngizama ukukhulula nami ukuthi no, don't worry. You can go mawufuna because babatshela sometimes umuntu nje yazini antu umuntu usuke efikela engenayo lento spotlight. So I say share a story and then sibemfuna all over. You see, mina nginama guest abuya even go SABC, nama guest abuya endaweni ezahlukahlukene. Angeke bese ngithi ke ungayi. You see, because kokunye uyabona ukuthi message anayo I message global. So mina nje shuthi I was like a gate ekutheni ukuthi umuntu angene aphumele ngale. So uma guest kanjalo ke kwesinye isikhathi kuba I decision yakho umuntu, hayi decision yami. So may decide ukuthi ahambe, it's fine. May decide ukuthi angahambi futhi, it's fine. So ngamanye amagama anginayo control over that. Umuntu osuke idecide ukuthi yena wenza njani.